And yes, I got mine in red. Look at the goodies. That is a catback exhaust. That's going in next week maybe. But today we are gonna install, I don't know if you can see that box. Never mind, it's actually this box. What would that be, huh? Follow me on Instagram. Okay. Box. There it is. Time for us to get rid of the stock ones and put the new ones in. Take the caps off, engine cover, 1/4 ratchet extension, and a 10 mil. Finally got it out. Alright, put this inside. By the way, shout out to Bill from CJ Pony Parts for the videos. It helps a lot. I kind of like the cover off. After you take the cover off, you gotta remove this sensor, sound tube, and this one too. And for the sound tube, you might need a this thing for that because it's really hard to get it out. Bro, this thing was a pain in the neck to remove, man. This is probably this sound tube makes everything complicated when the rest of the system is so easy to take on and off. Why, Ford? Why sound tube? All right, let's take this thing off. Loosen that up and you can just pull this thing off and then it should come out. All right, we finally got the stock ones out. Don't forget, you need these things to replace the JLT ones. Update. So far it's been really easy. Next part's gonna be a little tricky. We have to remove a nut that's like way inside. I'll show you guys. You can remove the sound tube. They did say you could keep this, but you need to drill a hole, which I'm not drilling a hole. So I'm gonna remove that nut, take the sound tube, and then yeah, get rid of this thing. Way back here, it's that one. Yep. By the way, 20 minutes to get this thing off. Are you kidding me? Piece of junk. Let's get this out. Right. You don't need this thing. And I just dropped the whole, whatever. Garbage. Not garbage, I mean, I don't need it right now. Maybe for some people you guys need this. Not me. So JLT provides you with this. It's basically a cover all the way inside there from where you got the nut from. All right, let's do that. Next, you take this off, and you need the sensor, but not the screws. JLT comes with its own screws, so just the sensor. And yes, I got mine in red. Now, this angle, you want this metal to be at the bottom. So that sideways. Metal vein at the bottom. So you tighten this one up. You grab this alignment grommet and you put it back here. That's it. And this grommet with a metal sleeve on the JLT box right here. Put this bolt back here. Tighten that up. But you gotta push this thing in all the way. Basically, put that nut back in. You shove that all the way in. Actually, it came loose. It's not where it's supposed to be. They said that those two dots are supposed to like come closer to the wall, so I'm actually gonna fix that right now. Yep, it's supposed to be flush like that. Put the sensor back on. Put this cable back on. And there's this cable. Yep. Attach it to the intake. That was a pain in the neck to put back. It said on the it says on the video that it's a snap-on thing. did not snap on. That took elbow grease to get on. Yep. So that's that. And one more thing, yes, it needs a tune. Make sure when you buy an intake for your 2018 Mustang that you also get a tune, because it will not work without a tune. I tried it, it didn't work.